Alright guys, we are going to replace the stock pipes on Royal Enfield Classic 650. I don't like the sound from the stock exhaust, and I'm going to replace them with Red Rooster Performance Atlas exhaust. Alright, so what I did so far is I just removed the right hand side pipe, and the tools I used number 10 wrench and number 12. These are 12 mm, one for holding the nut from the other end and one to just unscrew it, and number 10 to unscrew the heat shield. There are two bolts on top of the heat shield. So for this one you need to unscrew these two heat shield bolts, and then this one on top. So this is all attached to this bolt to the frame. Once you remove this shield, you'll see a clamp under this part. So it's an easy replacement, and I'll be showing you how I did it. Using the number 10, just remove the shield. And this comes right off. Now, this is the clamp I was talking about. Alright, so this clamp is loose. Now what we are going to do is we will just unscrew this one. So again, number 12 from back end. So just to hold the nut in place, and then just unscrew this. Alright, so that's the nut, and you just pull this off. Just set it aside. Now what you're gonna do is you just wiggle it, and off it goes. So this is how it looks. The pipe from the engine is splitted here, and then we are going to just install the Atlas exhaust in here. So that's the other side. This is Red Rooster Performance Power 80 Play. It's also called the Atlas, and it comes with these parts, and it is already marked as RH and LH. So this is for right hand side, and that's for the left hand side. Make sure that you don't tighten it fully, because this will require some adjustment after we mount it. Alright, so this slides in here, and then aligns in here. So that's the adjustment I was referring to. You'll need two 10 mm wrenches just to tighten the clamp. So So these pipes come with heat shield. So a small piece of heat shield. This goes right on top of the assembly here. Alright, so the left one is all installed. I'll install the right hand side and then we'll take a look together. All right, this is all installed, and it's the testing time. So currently it has the DB cooler installed. We'll first test with the DB cooler installed, and then we'll also hear after removing the DB cooler. Let's hear the sound. Right now we are going to remove the DB killer. So just take an Allen wrench and just unscrew it. Make sure the pipes are not hot. So this comes out, and that's the DB killer. Now let's listen to the sound. Alright, so we installed Red Rooster Performance exhaust on Classic 650. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's meet in the next video. We'll share some more upgrades. See you later. Bye for now.